Gripper death, side headlock from the rear. He puts it on here. As he tries to put pressure down, I'm going to kneel instead of letting him do this. I'm going to squish my brains out. So I'm going to kneel to take that downward pressure and let him feed into it. Palm heel strike to the cup. Left palm heel strike to the small of the back. He's track up his body onto his shoulder. And you're going to kick past, do a motorcycle kick between his legs. Take down into some kind of dessert hit right there. Alright, let's do it this way now. So, I step in front of him, start to squat down, small of the back, cup, up the body. Motorcycle hit, armpit's a favorite in this class. But you can take anything. You can take a hammer strike to the front of the body, cup, nose, punch the side of the head. We just like armpit, so they won't grab you with that arm anymore. There's a nerve center in there. Take that arm out of commission for weeks. See-ha! Gripper death.